Now here I am just going to discuss with you all an example of actual and formal parameters. On my left hand side I have a question from 2011 paper, which is a function overloading an example, that is question number 8, where we have compare method which is overloaded 3 times. On my right hand side the same year ka paper, same question. I am just showing the answer over here. So if you see the first part on the left hand side, the compare two methods are shown, and on the right hand side I am showing the main method, where I can show all the example of formal and informal parameter. And now right now if you see carefully, this is your method which has been declared, and when you declare a method and you have any parameters over here, these are called as formal, formal, formal parameters. Same thing here, these are also your formal parameters, these both and these both. Now if you see on the right hand side, this is a line which is calling the above method. That means this one is called over here. So it's called as function call, you can say function call, or you can also say method call. There's another name, method call. Method call. Now the most important part, now see, this method which you can see over here, which I am highlighting, is being called at this position. Now here if you see carefully, these two things which are there, these two variables are called as actual parameters. Why actual parameters? That means actually we are providing with some value. Here on the left hand side if you see, we are actually telling them ke we announce formally there will be two integer values, and here on the right hand side we are actually providing those values, so it is called as actual parameters. Now if you see here below, see here also there is one more line which is taking two parameters and which is taking character parameters. If you see that one, it is matching with this particular method ka prototype. Okay, so in this way. So here also same, like as I said, these are also your actual parameters, these two. They belong to this particular method, and now this method here where the declaration part is there, whichever parameters we get over there, all those parameters are called as formal parameters. And when we call a method, the parameters which we provide over here, or the argument, we say it as argument, those are called as actual parameters. Now one more thing in this which I would like to show you all. Normally see, we write all these things over here and then we call the method, we take the inputs from the user and we do it. Instead of doing that, there is one more trick which you can use, and that is, see, instead of writing these lines, I would recommend not to do this. Just call obj.compare compare bracket open 10 comma 20. So this way also you can call a method. You don't require to take everything with, all the inputs from the user. Just write over here obj.compare compare, and then you provide a character literals. That's it. So this way also you all can solve. So this way also you don't require to take any more inputs in the main method. So I hope the things are clear, what is formal and actual parameter, and I have shown you all how to use it also, how to call a main method, and inside a main method rather than taking inputs from the scanner, you can directly provide with the literals also. Okay, thank you.